Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate a new SD account on Bither Wallet. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device. Make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, on the home screen, you can see a plus icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it. Then you can see Generate New SD Account. Click on Generate button. After that, click on Get Permission button. Now, click on Allow to allow your camera to scan the QR code. Now, type in the password for your account. It should be of length at least 6 characters or 43 characters. Now, type in your password again to confirm it. After typing in the password, click on OK button. Now these are your private keys. Save it somewhere safe. After that, click on I have kept it safely button. So, that is how you can generate new SD account on Bither Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.